To monkeyhappy.com stage 825. This is chapter 9. Release the 9th dinosaur in this one. Let's go ahead and open up these windows, get all the objects. Now we've got these clues here. Then you got east, northwest, east, northwest, northeast. So here you go, east, northwest, northeast. For that side, just start picking up all these bits and bobs. Here we've got, we'll just do that second one, west, east, north, east, west. Oops, west, east, north, east, west. And then we've got this puzzle, which is here, 4, 3, 3, 1. And we've got these numbers up here, 792 53683. 792 53683. Combine it and put it in here. We haven't picked up all this stuff. The pipes go together, that goes in here. And we've got this bit. Three, 1, 4, 2, then it's our first clue of the top. But we'll first try and open up this and pick up all the bits and bobs. This goes together. Combine the pillow, no, that's not it. Handbag and the hair, put to him. Then the blanket and the pillow. Visor goes on, where is he? Here. You got a little sword. And then we've got the helmet that goes in here. And this goes in here. Okay. Now we've got 35. We're missing some. We obviously haven't opened these. Yeah, there's the one there, there's one there, and okay, let's open up the puzzles. A is 3142, and this is A, B, C, so 3142. 3, and then looking at the clue here, 3, and this is the second place you put it, third place, fourth place. 3, 1, 4, 2, like that. Then we've got 4, 2, 1, 3. So start again, 4, 2, 1, 3. And then we've got 1, 3, 2, 4. So there you go, that's how we get our dinosaur out. So thanks very much for playing, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time.